What's up guys, I'm KB Kwan from Taste of Asian Food. I prepared a Chinese chicken stock in my last video, which was intentional because I'm going to use the stock to prepare a Chinese spinach soup today called 上汤苋菜. And I'll show you how to make this popular dish which is featured in most of the menus on many Chinese restaurants. It requires some unique ingredients besides the spinach, that is salted egg, century egg, and some dry shrimp. So without further delay, let's get into the details right now. Let's start by soaking the dry shrimp in hot water because it does take some time to rehydrate. Next, clean the salted egg and century egg. This is a salted egg. The century egg. Then clean both under running water. Now we have two eggs, the clean eggs, one salted egg and the other one the century egg. Keep it aside. Now cut off the root of the spinach. Pluck off the leaves. Rinse with water several times because it is quite dirty and sandy. Look at it. I've changed the water several times. Look at it, now it's quite clean. So keep it in a wire mesh strainer and set it aside. Let's get back to the table. This is the salted egg. And I'm going to put it into hot water to boil it, just like making hard-boiled egg. The reason why I do that is because I'm going to cut it into small pieces later. I also want to cut the century egg into small pieces. I don't have to boil it because even though it is raw, the texture is solid and I still can cut it easily. Cut it into small pieces. And separate the yolk. Cut it gently because it is quite soft. Then keep separately. I'm cooking the salted egg right now, so let's take a look at the other ingredients. The dry shrimp that I have already soaked, goji berry, ginkgo nuts, this is optional, and 2 pieces of guai or Angelica sinensis. This is also optional. Now let's get back to the salted egg. Just like the century egg, peel. Again, separate the yolk and the whites. Then into small pieces. Then keep the yolk and the white separately. Now let's start cooking. Add some oil in the wok. Add a few cloves of garlic. Stir fry the whole cloves until fragrance turns golden brown and slightly charred on the surface. Now add the dry shrimp. and continue stir fry until fragrant. Pour the chicken stock into the wok. Add 2 pieces of tong guai and bring it to a boil. When it comes to a boil again, put the spinach into the stock. You may need to add a bit more water or more stock if you wish. Don't forget to include the ginkgo nuts. Now, the egg whites. Then season it with some ground white pepper, a little bit of sugar if you wish, which is again is optional, some salt. Bear in mind that my chicken stock, there's no salt inside. Do a taste test. Just a little bit more salt. Okay. Now I add the yolk. Now you may wonder why I add the yolk last. It's because if I add it earlier, the yolk will disintegrate quickly. Lastly, the goji berry. Just bring it to the boil again, and there you go. That is my Chinese spinach soup, 上湯苋菜. That's how to make 上湯苋菜 Chinese spinach soup. There are 3 things I need to recap. The first thing is you should start with a good stock, either a chicken stock or anchovy stock. And number 2, the ginkgo nuts and the tong guai I used, they are optional. And number 3, put the egg yolk into the soup in the last minute because the egg yolk will disintegrate quickly. Thanks for watching, and I have included the recipe in the description below the video. And don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification bell and give me a thumbs up. I'll see you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.